Ever wondered how to transform a dull web page into an engaging and visually appealing one? The answer is simple: HTML text formatting. Welcome to this UI expert video, where we unveil the art of HTML text formatting, an essential skill for every web developer. HTML text formatting is the magic wand that turns simple text into eye-catching content. It's the process of adding visual elements to your text, making it more engaging and easier to read. Let's start with headers. These are the backbone of your content structure. HTML provides 6 levels of headings, tagged from H1 to H6. By using these tags, you create a clear hierarchy of information, making your content easier to navigate for both users and search engines. Next, let's discuss paragraphs and line breaks. These are the building blocks of your text content. The tag encloses a block of text, creating a paragraph. The tag, on the other hand, provides a simple line break, shifting the following text to a new line without creating a new paragraph. Emphasizing certain parts of your text is another crucial aspect of HTML text formatting. The tag makes your text bold, drawing attention to it. The tag italicizes your text, subtly emphasizing it. Underlining and strikethrough are also handy tools in your HTML text formatting toolkit. The tag underlines your text while the tag crosses it out, indicating changes or corrections. Lastly, we have Superscript and Subscript. These tags elevate or lower your text relative to the main line. The tag is perfect for scientific notations like x², while the tag is used for chemical formulas like H2O. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to HTML text formatting. We've covered headings, paragraphs and line breaks, bold and italic emphasis, underlining and strikethrough, and superscript and subscript. Armed with these tools, you're ready to create engaging and well-structured text for your websites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UI Expert for more insightful web development content. Do you have a favorite text formatting tip, or is there a topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and keep creating amazing web experiences.